Yo boys, in today's video we're going to be seeing how many attempts it takes me to land the one and only spanner flip. Alright, take number one, well, number two actually. Also, I'm going to be adding a whip because I feel more comfortable adding a whip. Take number three. Can it be third tries a charm? No, but we nearly added a kickless. Okay, fourth attempt now. Can it be this try? Oh, 1 foot. Okay, fifth attempt for spanner flip. Come on. Let's go. Oh! I hit the roof. It literally says beware of your head. Alright, attempt number 6 now. Let's please not hit that roof. Can it be this go? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. And there we go. Spanner flip done, boys. Make sure to like and follow for more.